Testosterone. The hormone that does more than build muscles. Have you ever wondered why testosterone is often called the male hormone? Most people think it's only responsible for building muscles or increasing strength. But the truth is, testosterone affects almost every part of your body, from your brain and bones to your mood, energy, and even your confidence. So, what exactly is testosterone? Testosterone is a hormone mainly produced in the testicles in men and, in much smaller amounts, in the ovaries and adrenal glands in women. Although both men and women have testosterone, men naturally have much higher levels. During puberty, testosterone is responsible for many of the changes that transform a boy into an adult. The voice becomes deeper, facial and body hair begin to grow, muscles develop, bones become stronger, and the reproductive organs mature. But its job doesn't end after puberty. Throughout adulthood, testosterone continues to play an important role in maintaining muscle mass, bone density, red blood cell production, sperm production, sex drive, and overall energy levels. It also influences mood, motivation, memory, and concentration. This is why low testosterone can affect much more than physical appearance. Some common symptoms of low testosterone include constant fatigue, reduced muscle strength, low sex drive, difficulty concentrating, mood changes, increased body fat, and reduced bone density over time. However, these symptoms can also be caused by stress, poor sleep, depression, certain medical conditions, or nutritional deficiencies. That's why symptoms alone cannot diagnose low testosterone. So, what causes testosterone levels to decrease? One major reason is aging. Testosterone naturally declines as men get older, usually beginning around the age of 30. On average, levels decrease gradually each year. However, age isn't the only factor. Poor sleep is one of the biggest hidden causes. Your body produces a significant amount of testosterone during deep sleep. Regularly sleeping less than 7 hours can reduce hormone production over time. Obesity is another important factor. Excess body fat can alter hormone balance and contribute to lower testosterone levels. Chronic stress also plays a major role. When you're constantly stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that can interfere with normal testosterone production. Heavy alcohol consumption, smoking, lack of exercise, certain medications, and some medical conditions can also reduce testosterone levels. Now here's something many people misunderstand. Social media is filled with claims that certain foods or supplements can dramatically increase testosterone overnight. In reality, no food or supplement can magically boost testosterone to extraordinary levels if your hormone levels are already normal. However, healthy habits can help your body maintain normal testosterone production. Regular resistance training, maintaining a healthy body weight, getting enough sleep, eating sufficient protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals like zinc and vitamin D all support overall hormonal health. Managing stress is equally important because long-term stress can suppress hormone production. Another common myth is that higher testosterone automatically makes someone aggressive or angry. Research shows the relationship is much more complicated. Human behavior is influenced by personality, environment, upbringing, emotions, and many hormones working together. Testosterone alone does not determine whether someone becomes aggressive. Some people also believe that everyone should try to maximize their testosterone. That's not true. Both extremely low and excessively high testosterone levels can cause health problems. Hormones work best when they're balanced, not when they're pushed to the highest possible level. In some cases, doctors may prescribe testosterone replacement therapy, but only after proper medical evaluation and blood tests confirm a genuine deficiency. Self-medicating with testosterone or anabolic steroids without medical supervision can lead to serious side effects, including infertility, heart problems, liver damage, acne, and hormonal imbalance. So, what's the takeaway? Testosterone isn't just about muscles or masculinity. It's a vital hormone that supports your energy, bones, muscles, mood, reproductive health, and overall well-being. Instead of chasing miracle supplements or internet myths, focus on the basics. Sleep well, exercise regularly, eat a balanced diet, manage stress, and seek medical advice if you think something isn't right. Your body is designed to regulate hormones naturally. The healthiest goal isn't to have the highest testosterone possible, it's to have the right amount for your body. Thanks for watching, and remember, Good health always begins with good habits.